filter. You know why we're gonna make a water filter? Because we will really we like clean water. We can't drink this water. We're gonna drink even cleaner water. Okay, I will need cotton and fine sand and aquarium gravel and some rocks or pebbles and a straw and dirty water and a small bottle to cut it from up and a large bottle. So we're all good. Okay, so now we're gonna take the bottle, but first we made some holes in here. We made lots of holes down there, and we cut a bit of cotton. Now I can take it. Maybe I can use a straw even better. Wait a second. Maybe I can put it in my hands. Yeah, with my hands right there. Oh! This there. Okay, I put the cotton. Now let's put the fine sand. Oh my gosh. Oh! Just those. That's it. Put it here. And take the there. Go. Now put the rocks or the pebbles. Okay, let me put them. Wow, that looks good. Okay, guys, but in this part we will need someone beside us. We'll take this cap, ginormous cap, and we're gonna glue it. I can't really reach it, really. Okay, let me get it. Okay, we now did it, and we are gonna take ginormous and put it. How can it? So this is how it looks. You stick it on now. Now you're gonna take the straw and see this opening. We're gonna put it this here. Just put it in. Okay, now we stick it in, and it's it's a tap too. Now we put the tap, and we'll put the water. Okay, now we're gonna put the water. Let's put this. Take this, the dirty water. Oh, I can't even. Oh. It's raining. A little bit of dirt. There's some dirt. The dirt does not want to get out. Whatever. Look at the little chippy droppy. It's raining. La 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 la. Okay, so now we're gonna open the tap and take some water. See what's gonna happen. Okay, now we're gonna put some water inside. Ooh, glass. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is how it looks, and it was so fun to make together, and bye.